Hey guys, how are you and welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, my name is Jordana, and if not, then thank you for coming back and taking the time to watch my videos. I truly appreciate it. On today's video, I'm gonna give you a haul. It's not a huge, insane haul, but I got a few things from Sephora, Amazon, Charlotte Tilbury, and one thing that I got for PR. So if you want to see the stuff that I got recently, then just keep on watching. You guys know that I've been trying to go through my perfume collection, and I love vanilla scented perfumes. Sylvain Delacourt emailed me and told me that they wanted to send me a few of their perfumes, so they sent me 2 sample sets. All I had to do was try them. I didn't have to talk about them on any of the videos. They just wanted me to try it and see if I love them. I haven't tried them. I just received them and I'm gonna start trying them. If I think they're worth it, I'm gonna leave the information below. You guys know that I almost never link stuff that I don't like, even if I mention it on the video. That's what I've been doing recently. So I will try the entire collection, and since I'm gonna travel next week, I will, and if I love it, I will do a dedicated video describing the scents the best way that I can and telling you if they make me sick, because you guys know perfume makes me sick, or if they're perfect for me, that I'm sensitive to scents. So yeah, I'm super excited. They sent me the collection musks, which I bet it's gonna be for musky scent, and then La Collection Vanille, and this is the one that I want to try the most because you guys know I love vanilla scented products. So thank you to Sylvain Delacourt for sending me these. I will definitely be reviewing them here on my channel. The thing about those perfumes that catch my attention, even though I haven't tried them yet, is that the person that created them was a creative director on Guerlain. She also works with raw materials while doing the perfumes. I'm gonna start with the samples and point perks from Sephora. So the first thing that I got here that it's gonna be worth it for my concealer review, the Battle of the Concealer series that I'm gonna do, is that they send me the Bare Pro concealers, and then they also send me this concealer, and it's gonna work for that perfectly, which is the Beyond Perfecting Super Concealer Camouflage 24-hour wear. I don't have any of these concealers, so they will be good to just do the battle. I also got a little perfume from Maison Louis Marie in number 4. So I always love getting perfume samples because I prefer perfume samples than the bigger bottles. I placed 2 orders, so on each order I placed an order for the Clinique Take the Day Off in a small size. So these were 100 point perks deluxe size sample packets, and even if I finish them, I will refill them, keep one for traveling and one for my bathroom so that it doesn't take a lot of room. But the reason why I ordered this is because the last time I went to the US, I purchased the bigger size, and that's what I've been using to remove my makeup, and I'm definitely obsessed with it. Nothing removes makeup like that, in my opinion, and it doesn't strip your face. It's just perfection. It's like a balm, and it turns into an oil when you're rubbing it on your skin. You guys know that I'm in a no-buy when it comes to foundation, so I had to order this with a coupon. You know that at the end of your order you can put a coupon, and they have a few of them on the website, and they had one that was to receive 3 deluxe size samples of foundation. So on the medium shade range, they had the Makeup Forever Ultra HD Liquid, the Dior one, and they also had the Lancome Tantidol. I already have the Tantidol, and I have the HD but on a stick form. So I wanted to try in the yellow shades these 2 colors, and these are Y335 and Y415. I know these will be good additions for my kids, and I've been dying to try this. I wish this wasn't so dark and they didn't have it in the light samples. This is the Dior Backstage Face and Body Foundation in the shade 4N, and I love the little packaging. I think it's beautiful. When you're addicted to foundation and you get even samples, you get excited for them. The other point perk, or the coupon code that I used, was the Laura Mercier Translucent Glow Powder. I know this won't be working for me that much because I'm oily, so I know it will make me oilier, but I want to use it to see if I can highlight subtly with this. I couldn't help myself. I needed to have the small packaging of the powder to just repack my Laura Mercier when I travel, or any powder that I wanna take traveling with me. And if I can get a product and try it for spending already money that I'm gonna spend, I'm in for it. Then another 100-point perk was this Fenty Beauty primer. I have to tell you, I haven't been buying primers or mascaras, and not because I don't want to, it's because I can always get samples of them and get amazing use out of the samples and get amazing use out of the ones that I already have. So I've been just working through my primer collection, going through it, and same with my mascara collection without purchasing any. And I wanted to try this because Fenty is formulated for oilier skin, so I want to see how this one works for me. Charlotte Tilbury sent me another one of the Pillow Talk eyeshadow palette. That's amazing customer service, because they refunded the one that came broken, and they told me that they weren't gonna have any in stock, and then after a few days that they refunded the money, they sent me a new palette, and that's amazing. The other one I already fixed it. It doesn't look as beautiful as this one. It's still a beautiful palette, and I don't mind having a backup or just having one for my bridal kit, because this is one of the most beautiful Charlotte Tilbury palettes, and this is a limited edition palette. I bet they will come up with it eventually on the permanent range, but that's how it looks. If you can still get your hands on it, or if you can get it when they re-released it, try it, and if not, just buy the Dolce Vita palette, which is my favorite of the range. One boring thing, but it's interesting. I was looking for something like this for a while. You guys know that I'm a makeup artist. On Amazon, I saw that they had miniature spoolies. A while back, I was so into the small mascara for Clinique, the bottom lash mascara. That's amazing, and I love the formula and everything, but that's $10. So I prefer to get a full-size mascara and use those spoolies. So I'm gonna keep a few for me, and then the rest I'm gonna put them on my kids. Some people have super short lashes, and I hate that if a makeup look is done, I have to just mess it up, the disposable ones that I already used. So those are gonna be amazing for my kit. Another thing that I got for my kit, and this I got at Sephora, is a bigger size of duo glue, and this is in the shade dark because I'm running low on mine. This is just glue for your lashes, nothing new, but it dries super black, and I love it for my clients' lashes. I almost never wear lashes. Right now I'm wearing eyelash extensions. If you guys want me to answer some questions about these lashes, I can do a video on them. This is the first time I wear them, and I'm gonna do a refill on Friday before I go to the US. But I will just refill them twice and see how I like them. But if you have any questions about them, leave them below and I will answer them in a video. Another 100-point perk is something that I've been dying to try for a while, but I didn't want to commit to the full size before I finish a lot of skincare that I have. And this is the Kiehl's Midnight Recovery Serum. And this is a 100-point perk that looks super expensive because so little product for a 100-point perk. I prefer my Clinique 100-point perk that will last me forever. Another more exciting thing is the highlighter that I'm wearing today on my face and on my body. And this is the Fenty Beauty by Rihanna, the Diamond Balm How Many Carats. I'm hoping that I don't blind you, but you will see it right here. This is basically a highlighter without a base, and it's platinum sparkle, and it's inspired by a dress that Rihanna wore. I'm gonna leave the review that I just filmed below if it's already posted, or be in the lookout for that because it will be either after or before this video. I'm sorry that Sephora messed up. That's the first time that it happened, but they didn't send me the gloss that came with that. So if by any chance it comes later, I will post a review about it or let you guys know something about that gloss in an upcoming products that I'm loving right now type of video. Something that may seem boring to you guys, but it's something that I'm pretty excited about every time I get it. It's the Makeup Forever liners. They're saying that they're gonna discontinue it. I don't know if people are going crazy and telling them to F off, and they haven't just removed them from Sephora. But every time I place an order, I order one. The number 3C is my favorite shade. I've gone through 1 2C and about 4 3Cs. The 2C wasn't my favorite, but The Tone It Up girl, Katrina, she said that she uses 1C and it's her favorite shade. So I needed to try it because her lips are always looking beautiful and she doesn't wear lipstick. She only wears this all over her lips. And then I bought another 3C because I'm so afraid that they're gonna discontinue it. And now that I'm going to the US, if I see them in store, I will pick up 2 more and I will have them there because I have a few lip liners. I never use them. I almost never reach for them. I need to put them in project pans. But these, I will have to make myself stop because they're perfect for overlining your lips and they look beautiful on the lips. They don't budge, but these are so good. We love them, we adore them, and I know people that are hooked on them don't want anything else to replace them. They just want these lip liners. So please, 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 Makeup Forever, let us keep our lip liners. 2 more products and that would be it, guys. So this is another exciting one, and this is the Estila Aura Alight. You guys know that I love these. I have about 12 shades between the glitter and glow and the shimmer and glow. I want to pick a few more shades. I want to see if they release more holiday sets. So I recently ran out of Kitten Karma and Diamond Dust, and I think I ran out of another one, and I lost another one a while ago. But I go through these on my kit and on myself, so I know that if I buy them in a small size, I will have a bigger shade range and I won't have to spend $24 on each because not every color I use as much. If I get 10 Kitten Karmas, I know I will go through them because that's the color that I use on almost every client when I put glitters, and it's the type of color that I love. But this kit has Smoky Storm, Plum Up, Diamond Dust, Kitten Karma, and 2 of the face highlighters, which I'm not gonna use on the face but on the eyes, and these are beautiful as well and glittery. So this was good for $45, and I think I got this with a 20% off discount. So yeah, definitely worth it. Definitely. I know I will use it a ton, and it's better to have minis on my kit. And last but not least, let me show you guys this baby. This is the Marc Jacobs Omega Glaze All Over Foil Luminizer in the shade Guilty. It says on the back, oversized, seamless, it's glow time. And I know I saw a few people using it because I ordered it when the Rouge Axis was available. So I didn't get to see a review before I got it. And it looks a little bit dark, but I think this would be amazing for summer, for the body, for a bronzy glow. And you can see it right here. I already swatched it because I already filmed this video and the mic was off, but this is so stunning. This is so buttery. When you're swatching it, you can feel like it's buttery. But yeah, it's dark. It's definitely dark, and you can see that this is my real color, not the one that I have on my face. And I'm gonna compare it quickly to Opal, which I have right here, and Opal is definitely lighter. So Opal is basically the darkest that I can go when I'm self-tan or not. It's just the darkest that I can go. Maybe if I'm really dark, I will be able to pull this off, but I know I won't always be able to use it. I wish they would come up with different shades because the formula looks insane, buttery, beautiful. I haven't put it on my face, but I'm gonna use a dark self tanner and I will do a review on this one for you. And if it doesn't work as a highlighter, I will put it as a blush topper on my shoulders or whatever. I love this. And anyway, when I have stuff that's dark for me, if I can't use it for myself and I love the formula, I will use it for my clients because I love them and I love makeup and I love playing with makeup. Oh, I forgot about a product. So I got these sheets for blotting my face, and I always give to my clients because we live in this humidity that's crazy. So I always give one of them and I do a little makeup kit for them to blot their face and retouch their lips and makeup if they need to. And I always buy these in bulk. So I got these on Amazon, and this is a 3-pack, and every pack comes with 50 sheets. So they're really worth it, and they don't have a powder on them like the Palladio. So I find that the Palladio can change the color of my foundation, and I don't like that. So that's why I prefer those. Even though the Palladio can remove the oils, they will sort of leave a powdery residue that I don't like. These you will just only touch your face and they will remove the oil, not the makeup, and you'll be good to go. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope you guys enjoy. Let me know what you've picked up lately. I will do another haul if Sephora sends me the rest of the products that they didn't send me. Be on the lookout for the Fenty review, and let me know what you guys want to see next. Don't forget to go and subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you can be part of my YouTube family. I always love to read your comments, guys, so always leave suggestions below and I will definitely read them and answer to you guys. So that's it for this video, guys. Don't forget to go follow me on Instagram, and I guess I'll see you on the next one. Bye bye.